Hey guys, this is your friend Hamid from itsmadeeasy.com. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw this pot model in easy steps in SolidWorks. Okay, hope you all will enjoy it. Let's start our tutorial now. Okay guys, here we have our 2D geometry of our 3D pot model, and to observe this, there are 4 to 5 methods with which we can complete this whole pot model, which requires at least 4 features to do to complete this whole pot model. And there is only one method which requires just 3 features to complete this whole pot model, and we are going to follow that particular method now. Okay, I'm starting with a new pot model, and I'm going to start with this L-shape part here. I'm taking the front plane now. I'm taking this point as origin, and from here we are having an offset of 60 mm. I'm going to start with that 60 mm towards downwards, and from this point to this edge we have 155, again towards down 150. Since they have given this thickness as 20 mm, this of course should be also 20 mm, and from 150 minus 20, 130, completing this. And to complete this whole part, we have remaining the fillet of 20 mm radius. And yes, we are done. To be symmetric with origin, I'm giving a mid plane, and here we have a 70 mm length of extrude. And yes, we have made this part, and now I'm jumping to this part which I'm going to draw only the outer circle. Top plane, from origin I'm going to draw just only the outer circle, which they have given 36 as the radius. Then the diameter should be 72. I'm extruding this part to a length of 140 to a downside. And now here is what we are going to we have only one feature remaining, and we are going to complete this whole feature in that particular feature whole model. I'm going to draw a circle, inner circle of this part, and a whole circle of this part on in a single sketch. Outer circle, the inner circle, they have given the diameter as 50, and from here, from this point to this center, they have given 95 mm length. Sorry, it's not horizontal. And from this point I'm going to make a circle of 50 mm length radius, the diameter. Here we have 2 circles. I'm just going to extrude cut this and this, and yes, there we are. Here we have the 2D diagram, and here we have the 3D model of the same thing. Okay guys, thanks for being here. Hope you all enjoyed it. Please give a like to ours, it will be a great support to us, and please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.